Welcome. In this video we will see how to install ESP board with Arduino IDE. Here is my Arduino IDE. If I go to tools, here I have the different board that I already installed, LGT boards and Arduino AVR boards, Logic Green, STM boards are already there, but ESP boards are not there. So how to install? Let's start. First go to this link. This is the link. I will put this link in the description. You just open this link, you will see this site. Click on this code, download, and click on the open. You need to click on the download zip. Click on the download zip, and I can save this folder to, let's save to my desktop. I can make new folder here. You can save anywhere where you want. ESP folder. Okay, so click here and I save this. So it will take just a few minutes to download. You have to wait for it. So after it's download, we just need to copy and paste. You don't need to install and go into the setting. After that, if you will see here, you will find the ESP boards here. So let finish download finish. After that I will tell you how to add it with the Arduino IDE. So if you want to install the other boards like I have here, you can see the AVR boards, Logic Green boards, LGT328 and STM. All the videos are on my channel. You can watch how to add these boards. So our download is done, so we need to go to the desktop where we save. Here is the ESP folder, ESP, and I go here. This file is downloaded, right? So you just need to extract the file, click OK, and wait for extraction. So extraction is done. So what you need to do, just copy this extracted file, copy, and go to the folder where your Arduino is installed. Normally it's installed on the C. My computer, C, program file, and I click on the Arduino here. Sorry, maybe program 86. Yes, click on the Arduino and you need to find the hardware folder. Click on the hardware folder and you just need to paste it here and continue. So here Arduino ESP32 master is, the master folder is pasted here inside the hardware folder. Now just refresh the Arduino IDE. Okay, close and open the Arduino IDE. Now you can see tools, boards, AVR, ESP, you can see all types are here. Arduino AVR boards in one list and other is the ESP32 board list and the Logic Green, and all are managed. Each list is divided in its own category if you follow my procedure. So that was all about this. If you want to install other boards, you can find the videos on my channel for all other different types of board, how to add with the Arduino IDE. So that was all about this. Thanks for watching.